Welcome to Virtual Medicine 23. I'm Brennan Spiegel, director of our virtual medicine program here at Cedars-Sinai in Los Angeles, California. And on behalf of our entire vMed team, we're thrilled to present this dynamic and exciting two-day event as we explore the present and the future of medical extended reality, or MXR. Now, we started vMed back in 2018 at a time when XR was gaining traction in clinical practice. Of course, XR technologies had been around long before vMed and had been studied in elite psychology labs all around the world for decades. But then things began to change in medicine as XR found its way into the clinical trenches. So we created vMed to convene the brightest minds in MXR, to involve patients whose voice is vital to charting the future of MXR and to advance the science of this new branch of medicine through multidisciplinary research. Now, it's been a few years since our last in-person vMed back in 2019. After successful online events during the pandemic, we're finally back in person to reunite the international MXR community here in Los Angeles. We're so happy to see hundreds of registrants this year from all around the world. This year's registrants include doctors and nurses, patients, tech investors, students, academic VR researchers, hospital administrators, and a wide range of people from throughout the XR ecosystem, both in healthcare and beyond. Now, we've put together an amazing lineup of nearly 60 speakers from around the world, representing the breadth and the depth of medical extended reality. We're going to hear talks covering most every application of XR in healthcare, from using XR for pain management, to surgical training, to behavioral healthcare, to, well, you name it. We're going to be covering a lot at vMed23. So check out the full agenda for all the talks during our two-day symposium that will occur in the beautiful Sofitel Hotel across the street from Cedars-Sinai in LA on March 30th and 31st. You can find all the information and register at our website, which is virtualmedicine.org. We're also delighted to announce that this year vMed is approved for 13.5 continuing medical education credits through our outstanding CME office at Cedars-Sinai. Thank you so much for your support of vMed. Putting on this conference is a labor of love for our small team here at Cedars, and we've worked very hard to bring you the best program that we can imagine. Thanks also to our sponsors for helping to make vMed a reality. We especially want to thank Applied VR for their major sponsorship of this year's program, and to all the other companies for their generous support. Be sure to check them all out in the exhibit hall at the conference to use with your own hands the latest and the greatest that MXR has to offer. So thank you again for your interest in vMed, and we hope that you enjoy the conference.